is going to be a short and better demonstration. The reason I say it's short is because I'll explain in a bit. So this is the ceiling fan in more like a guest bedroom downstairs. This is a light bulb pull chain. This is not a real light bulb, it's just a decoration, and the chain is tied is because I've grown and I'm not short anymore, so I'm tall enough to reach that. And the blades are reversed from they're reversed from light to either dark wooded or bleached oak or something like that. And I have this on a tri-blade because I want it that way. Reverse here, and the logo saying Harbor Breeze. This is a Harbor Breeze Armitage ceiling fan. And the reason I say it's short demonstration is because I can't demonstrate the fan right now. This is because I can't demonstrate the fan right now, so I'm gonna turn on. So all I can turn on is this. So let's start with the light. And I have the fan on, so it's not working, but the chain is in there because I don't need to use it because it's not working, like I said. Alright, now I'm gonna turn off. So that's what all I could pull. Alright, and this is the fan here. I'm turn this off and give you a spin. So pretend it's on low. Slow it down. That was just a screech that I made. A screech sound I made with the blades. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, like and subscribe. Oh wait, I'm gonna see you in the next one when I take off this globe and set it on a tripod. So bye.